Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nini Ka. More birthdays to come. Good health and always halong sa pagbiyahe. Wish ko pang mga sawa karon kay 30 ka na. I love you, Nini Ka. More birthdays to come. Love, love, Mama.
Nini, happy birthday. Thank you for always there for us. Thank you for your love and kindness. Salamat gini kag more birthdays to come and more blessings to receive. Kag take care always. Safe sailing. We love you.
Nini, happy birthday. Halong Kaperni. God bless.
Hello, Godid. Cheers to another years of making happy memories. May the Lord shower more blessings and grant all that your heart desire. Happy birthday, Niniki. Enjoy your special day. Hello and God bless.
Nini, happy birthday. Halong ka dyan sa barko.
Happy birthday, bro. You're always there for us. Thank you for your love and support. Wishing you a year full of happiness and fun. God bless and safe sailing always.
Cheers to another year, Kuya Kimi. May God keep you safe wherever the sea takes you. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday ka. Safe sailing and good health always.
Hello ka, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life kag safe sailing lang always. Thank you for always being there for us kag I just wanna let you know nga we also and always got your back. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Carpe diem.
Hi ka, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Thank you sa tanan-tanan. Safe sailing. Kag wish ko may relaxer sa rocks this year or next year. May your voyage be awesome as your.
Happy birthday, Ninika. Along ito may sa biyahe kag God bless you always. Daad this year makasubsok ng kubarong.
Happy birthday, Nini! Wishing you more birthdays to come. Be safe, be healthy, and God bless!
Hello, Ne. Happy birthday. And thank you for being always there for us. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. Take care and safe sailing always.
Happy birthday, Tito D. Thank you for everything. Halong la, I love you.
Birthday. 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 Tito D. Hey, love you. Eh, cute eyes pa? Cute eyes eh? Cute eyes eh? Cute eyes?
Happy birthday, Nika! Thank you sa support and sa love mo sa among tanan. And may the joy and love you give to others will came back to you 10,000 folds. Happy birthday, enjoy your day, and safe sailing. God bless you, Nini.
你好，弟弟 KA， 我是想许你新年快乐。oh, piling check ba? So, ito na nga. Happy birthday. So, wish ko sa'yo, lahat ng wish mo ay matupad. And, priority mo na lang yung wish ni Cara David, no? Pero yung the rest nun. And, I hope magkaroon ka ng good health and good life. And more birthdays to come. So, happy ako. Yun lang. Hi, bye-bye.
Hello, KA. Kumusta ka na dyan? Okay ka lang ba? Pero bago ang lahat, gusto muna kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan kasama ng mga kaibigan mo, ng mga kasama mo sa trabaho. Malayo ka man sa amin, kailanman hindi ka namin nakalimutan. Wala man gift si mama sa'yo, pero lagi ka naman kasama sa pagpipray ko. Kaya enjoy ka lang and mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless and enjoy. It's me, Mama. Miss you very much. Bye-bye.
Yun kuya, happy birthday. Siyempre, wish you all the best palagi. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa barko at ingatan mo yung kalusugan mo dyan kuya. Iwas mo na sa mga pagkain hindi maganda sa katawan. Tsaka na muna kainin yan kuya pag nakababa ka na ng barko. Sasabayan ka namin. Sabay tayong tataba. Yun. Pwede pagbaba mo kuya, jogging na lang tayo kuya. Kasi gusto ko na rin mag-jogging din eh. Kasi tumataba na rin ako. Ayun, kuya. See you soon, kuya. Suntuin ka na lang namin pagbaba mo ng barko. Shot tayo soon.
Happy birthday kuya kay wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and sana mag-iingat ka palagi sa biyahe mo kung saan ka man mapunta at sana dumami pa yung blessings na dumating sa'yo and enjoy your day lang and shot na tayo pag uwi mo. Ayun lang, happy birthday!
Hi Kuya K.A! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, K.A.
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's, all of the
Laging mag-iingat. And sana masaya ka kahit malayo ka. Kahit mga dagat ang kasama mo. Happy birthday! Ingat palagi! Bye!
Yo, Kuya Kay, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Pansoon. God bless.
Oh, bati ko. May ka-celebrates ang iya birthday. Of course, happy birthday to my one and only son, K.A. I wish you all the happiness in the world. I wish you good health. I wish you love. And I wish you pure joy. My prayer is, may God grant all the desires of your heart. And K.A., you know how much I miss you. I'd like to take this opportunity also to say thank you for being one of my precious friends. Most genuine and most candid. I miss all the things that we do and I do hope and pray balik man diri, please. But for now, it's your day and I'm giving you the chance to enjoy it with pretty Eliza. Thank you so much and I miss you, dear. I want you to have a happy celebration and it's always good to be 26 always. May pa-surprise ay Han. Let me see. And let's have part 2. I miss you, dear.
Hello na. Happy birthday, K.A. I hope you're always doing great. Keep safe and God bless always. Mwah.
Hi Par! Happy birthday! Bye! Happy birthday! Enjoy lang dyan!
Happy birthday, K.A. Ingat ka lagi dyan sa barko. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday Sir K.A. More birthday to come and more wishes to be granted and sana magkasama ulit tayo.
Happy birthday Sir K.A. Kabay nga duro-duro pa nga birthday kapag kanimo kapag ko ni Lord kang mayad nga pang lawason halong ka permi. Thank you kids sa mga bulig mo kabay nga duro pang imong mga mapuligan. Happy birthday halong ka permi.
happy birthday friend. I hope na-enjoy mo subong yung mga birthday. Kag ang akon lang wish sa imo tani makaupod ka na sa mga race ko. Joke lang. Pero kidding aside, always ko gina-pray nga ay mo safety and then wala ka problema sa mga machineries mo. And kagbalaan mo na always ko na ginahambal sa imo. And isa pa, congratulations sa inyo ni Eliza.
Tara na, rides na uli, gear up na. Happy birthday, Sir K.A. Kailan kaya ulit maulit? Happy birthday uli. God bless. Miss you na makatropa, mga riders ko dyan. Ingat lagi, ingat.
Happy birthday, sir. Ang wish ko lang is good health lang per me and safe voyage. And come sis as you continue to inspire future mariners. Kag salamat sa mga lessons mo nga ginutudlo sa amon. Kag salamat man kay naging part ka sa amon nga college. Kag naging solid mentor, kag solid tropa man. Happy birthday, sir. Halong nang da perme.
Yo, what's up guys? Shout out kali dyan sa tropa ko, K.A. Anthony. Happy birthday. Stay safe. Kailan ko gani? 35. God bless.
Hello ke, happy birthday. Mambal ko kay Anthony Pareñas. Ang college days ko kung walang kay Anthony Pareñas? Boring siguro. Thank you sa tanan-tanan sa best friendship. Again, pa-experience mo na ako during college days, sa support, sa bulig, halin sa una ta nagkilalahay hanggang ngayon. Wala untat nga bulig mo sa ako. Thank you, kid. Wish ko lang sa'yo na makamit mong pangarap mo. Wish you all the best in life. Deserve mo gid kay ikaw isa ka mayad nga tao. Halong la parmi. Looking forward sa adlaw nga maghubog taliwat na duwa, bottoms up sa isa ka lata nga beer. Halin sa gabi hasta mag-aga, no? I miss you. Halong.
Happy 21st birthday, Sir K.A. Stay young and healthy. Safe voyage lagi, sir. God bless.
Hello, K.A. Have a blast. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang sa'yo sana matupad mo yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Alam ko naman na marami kang sacrifices para sa pamilya mo. Nagpapasalamat ako sa past years na suporta mo sa akin during na nagkasama tayo. And sana, sa sunod, kasama na ulit kita as first engineer. And sana magpakasal ka na. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. Bye.
Hi K.A. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi kung saan ka man lupalop ng mundo ngayon. Wish ko sa birthday mo na good health and more birthdays to come. Ayan lang naman importante sa lahat eh. Saka nasa'yo naman na lahat, career, love life. Sige, ingat ka. See you soon.
Hello K.A. Happy birthday brother. See you sa opisina. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Safe sailing parate. Kita kits.
Happy birthday, K.A. Sana ma-fulfill mo yung mga plano mo sa buhay. God bless. God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday, sir. Alright.
Hi K.A. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for being my friend. Sana ma-enjoy mo ngayon yung birthday mo kahit nasa barko ka. Kagtani, mabtanay kita liwat sa lupa kag masyat kung diin naman kita malapot. Joke lang. Happy birthday liwat.
So, ayun na nga. Okay, tapos na birthday ko. Ikaw naman. Happy birthday, bro. I wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and more success in life. Halong good for me. Kita-kits.
Hi Kay, happiest birthday to you, and wishing you all the best in life, and halong na for me. God bless. So this is a short message lang kay underway pang barko, so medyo katipid. So see you next time. Bye bye. Makasal ka na.
Happy birthday, K.A. Wish you good health, happy family, and more success in your career. God bless.
Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Solar Bay at nandito tayo ngayon sa taas ng bubong. Kakatapos natin magkabit ng solar panel, pero gusto nating batiin ng happy birthday si Sir K.A. Maraming salamat sir dahil nakilala kita at naging parte ka ng buhay ko. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting tao mo at pagiging selfless mo. At the same time, gusto ko din sabihin sa'yo na mag-enjoy ka din, no? Kaya gusto ko, pag uwi mo, request ko sa'yo, magpakasal ka na at magkaroon ka na ng madaming babies. And again, kung nasaan ka man ngayon, mag-ingat ka at happy birthday. Yun lang. So, sibat na ako.
Happy birthday.
Hi babe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayun, so happy birthday babe. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa mga video greetings na ginawa namin for you. And nakakatuwa kasi sobrang dami nila. And it really shows how good you are as a person. And na-witness ko naman yun, how selfless you are, especially for those people that you love. And I'm grateful that I'm part of it. And grateful din ako because you're part of my life for almost 9 years. Ayan, thank you for being you. And thank you for loving not just me, but my whole family. So, ngayong birthday mo, wala na akong ibang hihilingin. Malayo ka kasi. Ayan, wala na akong ibang hihilingin kung hindi maging safe ka at all times. Ayun, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na umuwi ka lang ng buo, okay na ako. Yun, maging safe palagi and mag-enjoy. Huwag mo masyadong i-risk yung life mo. Alam kong sobrang risky.